Want to know how to set up Mailchimp pop-up forms for lead generation that actually convert? Stick around, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create pop-up forms that will help you collect valuable leads for your business. First things first, let's talk about how easy it is to get started with Mailchimp. You can use Mailchimp completely free, and if you check out the first link in the description, you'll get access to our exclusive bonuses. You don't want to miss this, especially if you're looking to maximize your lead generation efforts. Now, the first thing you need to do is log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're logged in, head over to the Audience tab because that's where you'll manage your forms. The goal here is to capture your website visitors' attention, so let's dive into creating the actual pop-up form. Next thing, click on the Sign Up Forms option. This will take you to a page where you can create different types of forms. You'll see an option called Pop-up Forms. Click that. Here's where the magic happens. You can customize the pop-up to fit your branding and style. Mailchimp gives you templates, but feel free to tweak things to make it match your website's look. Now, let's talk about timing. You don't want your pop-up to appear the second someone lands on your page. It's better to have it show up after a few seconds of interaction or once the visitor starts to exit the page. This is where the timing and triggers come in. Set the delay to 5 to 10 seconds for a non-intrusive approach, or set it to pop up when they're about to leave the page, also known as an exit intent. The fourth thing you need to focus on is the messaging. Keep it simple but enticing. Use a clear headline that tells your visitors exactly why they should sign up. For example, get your free guide now, or exclusive discounts delivered to your inbox. The goal is to make them want to give you their email. Once you've crafted your message, it's time to think about the form fields. You don't need too many, just ask for what's absolutely necessary. First name and email address are usually enough to get started, but don't forget to add a compelling call to action button, something like sign up or get started. Next thing, let's talk about design. Mailchimp's pop-up forms are highly customizable, so adjust the colors, fonts, and button style to make sure it fits seamlessly with your website's design. You want it to stand out, but also look like a natural extension of your site. After that, you're ready to set up the thank you message. Once someone submits their info, you don't want to leave them hanging. Customize your thank you message, or even better, send them to a special landing page or a downloadable offer as a thank you for signing up. The final thing you want to do is test everything before launching it live. Test the timing, the message, and the design. Make sure it looks good on both desktop and mobile. Once you're happy with how it looks and functions, click Save and AMP. Publish. And there you have it. You now know how to set up Mailchimp pop-up forms for lead generation. Remember, this is a great way to capture new leads and grow your email list, all while providing value to your visitors. Before you go, don't forget to check out the link in the description below to access Mailchimp's free trial with our exclusive bonuses. This will help you start generating leads right away and take your business to the next level.